it's me Pratha. I hope you all are doing well. So in this video we are going to talk about how to get a glowing and radiant skin. So I'm going to share my secret, so it might work for you too. So watch it till the end, and yeah, let's begin with this video. As I said that we are going to talk about how to get a glowing and radiant skin. In this very busy schedule, I don't get enough time to take care of my skin. Due to this very stressful environment, our body does not produce sufficient amount of glutathione or get enough nutrients, and इस वजह से vitamin nutrients एक necessary part बन गया मेरी life का, using supplements and all that. And Japanese glutathione is a powerful antioxidant that fights the cell damage caused by the free radicals and UV rays and the pollution. I have this product from Chic Nutrix. It helps in reducing pigmentation and dark spots, helps in reducing the melanin production and provide a even toned skin. It inhibits tyrosine activity, which helps in reducing the eumelanin, means like the dull skin cells, and helps in producing more the bright skin cells. And vitamin C helps in absorbing the glutathione. It also prevents premature aging, fine lines, and it boosts collagen production too. In the market there are more products of glutathione. This one is the best mixture as it comes with lemon and strawberry. There is no fake artificial colors. Chic Nutrix is the perfect combination of glutathione plus vitamin C tablets, and it gives you a radiant glowing skin. It is dermatologically approved and it is very safe to consume, and it is gentle on your stomach too, and इसके कोई भी side effects नहीं है. You must add this in your skincare routine to have a very glowing radiant skin. Swiss FSN technology makes the absorption of it very easy and highly efficient, and it increases the bioavailability too, क्योंकि ये एकदम exact pH पे जाकर work करता है. And it is available in 20 tablet. Flavor is strawberry lemon, and anyone above the age 16 can drink this Chic Nutrix. So make sure to check out the description box for more details. Nutrix Glow is a 500 mg Japanese glutathione and vitamin C to reduce pigmentation to get glowing and radiant skin. And what are its ingredients? Then it consists of Japanese glutathione 500 mg, vitamin C 40 mg, total sugar 0.24 gram, naturally occurring, no added sugar, and which is very less. And it is dermatologically approved to show guaranteed result in 8 weeks. Powerful antioxidant that fights the cell damage caused by free radicals, UV rays and pollution. It also helps in reducing dark spots, pigmentation and melanin production, and promotes even toned skin. It inhibits the tyrosine activity, which helps in reducing eumelanin, dull skin cells, and increase pheomelanin, bright skin cells. Vitamin C, it helps the body to efficiently absorb the glutathione and increases the efficiency of the glutathione. It also prevents premature aging, fine lines, and boosts collagen production. Effervescent glutathione in liquid form absorbs faster than solid capsules and or tablets. Capsules are also caused gastrointestinal issues and upsets the stomach, whereas effervescent form is more gentle on stomach. It's higher bioavailability than tablets and capsules, which means it absorbs well and is more efficient and shows faster results in the body. It is naturally derived from yeast. It is US FDA approved, safe and effective for consumption. It has shown effective results with oral consumption, which is a problem with other common sources of glutathione available in the market. It has clinical studies that shows brighter skin results in 8 weeks of regular consumption. It is vegan, halal and kosher certified, mother of antioxidants. OPITAC glutathione deactivates the enzyme that helps in melanin production, reducing dark spots and pigmentation, giving you even toned, glowing and radiant skin. How to use this? It's very easy to consume. मतलब पहले ये जो tablet है, you just have to drop this in a glass of water, and ये जब तक पूरे अच्छे से dissolve हो जाएगा, then उसको पी लेने का, क्योंकि it's in strawberry lemon फ्लेवर, तो इसका टेस्ट भी बहुत अच्छा है. एंड थिंग इज कि इसके अंदर कोई भी एडेड शुगर नहीं है, जो सब है नेचुरली है. सो यस, इट्स वेरी इजी टू यूज. If you're looking to reduce your dark spots and dullness of your skin, targeted audiences, of course, the one who wants to reduce their dark spot to prevent pigmentation and dullness, the ones who want to get glowing skin and radiant too, and of course the ones who want to get healthier skin overall. And if you want to buy this product, the link is provided in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And you can even use my coupon code PRATHA10 for an instant discount. And ये कोई भी product पर use कर सकते हो मेरा coupon code, and you will get an instant 10% off on the website. So make sure to check out the description box for more details. And yes, see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye, and make sure to give it a try.